let's discuss about regulation of testes. We will discuss about hormonal regulation, right? Okay, regulation of testes. Mainly we discuss in this lecture hormonal regulation, how various hormones regulates testicular function. See, first, arcuate nucleus of hypothalamus secretes gonadotropin releasing hormone. Okay, arcuate nucleus of hypothalamus secretes gonadotropin releasing hormone. This hormone reaches anterior pituitary through hypothalamic hypophyseal portal bed. It reaches anterior pituitary through hypothalamic hypophyseal portal bed. Hypophyseal blade and acts on anterior pituitary, right? The released hormone acts on anterior pituitary. Due to stimulation of anterior pituitary, this anterior pituitary it secretes two hormones. One is FSH and LH. LH means luteinizing hormone. FSH means follicular stimulating hormone. Now follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone have been released, right? So FSH and LSH are released. This FSH acts on Sertoli cells of testis. Will act on Sertoli cells. Due to this action, Sertoli cells maintain spermatogenesis. Okay. Sertoli cells releases one hormone called inhibin. This inhibin will act as negative feedback mechanism for FSH. Acts as negative feedback mechanism or gives negative feedback mechanism for FSH. Gives negative feedback mechanism for FSH. Okay, negative feedback mechanism for FSH. Now coming to LSH. LSH will act on Leydig cells of testis. Leydig cells. Due to this action, Leydig cells secretes testosterone. Testosterone will reinforce the spermatogenic effect of FSH. Okay, reinforces the spermatogenic effect of FSH. And this testosterone it inhibits the release of luteinizing hormone, and it also acts as negative regulator for the release of gonadotropin releasing hormone from hypothalamus. Acts as negative regulator for or sends negative feedback mechanism to the hypothalamus in releasing gonadotropin releasing hormone. This is about hormone regulation of testis.